Question 7 is, in figure AB parallel to CD and that is parallel to EF given. We have to find out X, value of X and AE. So the solution is, first we'll write given is AB parallel to CD parallel to EF. So BD upon DF is equal to AC upon CE. Because of this property of three parallel lines and their transversals, AB parallel to CD parallel to EF and transversals is AE. By substituting the value of BD 8, DF 4, AC 12, CE X. So by cross multiplication 8 into X equals to 12 into 4. Therefore 12 into 4 upon 8. If we solve it, we get X equals to 6. AE is AC plus CE. So we can write it here, and reason ACE are the collinear points. Substituting the value, AC is given 12. So AC 12 plus X, CE is X. So AE is equal to 12 plus 6. So that is equal to 18. So answer we got is X equals to 6 and AE is equal to 18. Now question number 9. This figure given seg BD bisect angle ABC. This is seg BD bisecting angle ABC, and these are the measures given of the different segments. We have to find the value of X. So let's see how to solve. First, given is seg BD bisect angle ABC. Therefore, by theorem of angle bisector, we get the ratio AB upon BC. AB upon BC equals to AD upon DC. This you have learnt by the theorem of angle bisector. Now we will substitute the values of these segments. AB given X, BC given X plus 5, AD is X minus 2, DC X plus 2. So now this we will solve by multiplying X with X plus 2 equals to X minus 2 multiplied by X plus 5. Multiplying this bracket by X, we get X square plus 2X. Multiplying these two brackets, so X multiplied by X plus 5 minus 2 multiplied by X plus 5. When we solve it further, X square plus 2X, X square plus 2X equals to X square plus X into 5, 5X minus 2 into X, 2X minus 2 into 5 minus 10. So now X square both the sides, we can cancel. 2X remaining here, 5X minus 2X is 3X, this is minus 10. So 2X equals to 3X minus 10 remaining. Three x we bring to the left side, so 2x minus 3x equals to negative 10. If we solve 2x minus 3x, we get negative x equals to negative 10. So negative sign cancels from both the sides, x equals to 10, and that is the solution. Question number 11. The figure is not given. The information given, based on that we will draw the figure. Triangle ABC in which ray BD bisect angle ABC. So we have drawn triangle ABC. BD is bisecting angle ABC. Ray CE bisects angle ACB. So we have drawn this bisector here. Given one more thing, AB congruent to AC. These two segments are congruent. Now we have to prove ED parallel to BC. ED parallel to BC. So let's see the solution. First we will consider only first part. In triangle ABC, BD bisects angle ABC. So we get AB upon BC equals to AD upon DC here by angle bisector theorem. Now another part. CE bisect angle ACB. This CE bisecting angle ACB I have drawn here. CE bisecting angle ACB. So the ratio is AC upon BC. AC upon BC, that is equals to AE upon EB. Same reason again here, angle bisector theorem. The next what is given is AB congruent to AC. Both the sects are congruent. So AB upon BC will be equal to AC upon BC because AB and AC are congruent. So here we got AB upon BC equals to AC upon BC as equation number 3. From equation 1, 2 and 3, we have got AD upon DC equals to AE upon EB. These two are equal. So now let's see in the figure. AD upon DC, AE upon EB. These two ratios we have got equal over here. Therefore, by converse of proportionality theorem, seg ED is parallel to seg BC. We can see in the figure that if two of these ratios are equal, by converse of proportionality theorem, ED is parallel to BC, and that only we had to prove. So we have proved ED parallel to BC.